palẹ́nu kọrin kése. The program no be Yoruba program. But the thing wey we wan talk today na about royalty.
Yes.
Our king for obodo oyinbo, for obodo Yoruba sef. Our king, how dem dey take drum dey salute dem, how dem dey take drum dey tell dem something. In fact, wetin drum dey do for palace, my name na Taiwo, and so we take start the program today.
My own name na Ayodiran Tobiloba.
Ayodiran Tobiloba. As we enter today, people go dey wonder say maybe we dey go greet one king or the other, na im make us dey drum like this o. Wetin you wan talk about drum wey dey palace?
The significance.
That grammar too much o.
The significance, I don break am like that so. Of the drum for palace.
The purpose wey dem dey take put drum for palace.
Yes. Why would they get talking drum and standby for palace?
Why?
The reason be say, one, if you wan entertain even the king.
The king himself. So
the king himself.
Today I appeal, I dey somehow o, make I go carry drum and come.
My drummer, oh yeah, I wan dance. I wan do wetin? I wan count. So the thing they tell us now be say the king himself they bring him drum and make him drum for am, make him dey do wetin, dey cool, dey enjoy the drum. Wetin be another thing wey we know say we dey take drum do for palace? Make I talk that one. Okay.
If king want to coronate somebody, say okay o, he look so tey Ayodiran make he come be Iyaloja for my kingdom. They no go just carry am come say carry this enter, carry this, no. Dem go bring drummer.
Yes.
Dem go sing well well. As dem dey put the bead for him neck, the leaf for him head, dey wear am the crown, drummer dey do wetin, dey entertain, dey play. Na him make me like say okay o, the importance of drum for palace, dem dey take am do coronation for chiefs, even sef for some king themselves.
Yes. Another reason be say for communication. Before they enthrone, or during the time when they enthrone king, all those rudiments they did, they say they go dey teach the king how you go know say your drummer go communicate to you, how you go understand am. The communication wey I come in be say if the king wan receive visitor, the drummer go knack the drum wey be say him go know say visitor don dey the month, make we allow am enter, or make we just tell am make he dey for there, say later he go come out, abi later make him go, make he come back.
The thing wey me I also understand wetin you dey talk now be say if before king enter as king sef,
yes,
drummer go teach am say if you drum like this, you go dance like this. If drum talk like this, na so you go take respond. So drummer sef dem dey part of the process wey dem say put king on top seat. Say before they say kabiyesi o, if dem go teach am say you see this drum o, this bata, if you do sound like this e mean this gangan. If dem do am like this and like this e mean. E come get another drum wey dem dey call gbedu. That gbedu sef, if dem go carry kabiyesi or the person wey wan put they wan put for throne, say this drum o, dem dey call am gbedu. E come get different type, different size. Say this one o, if e sound like this and like this go carry hand, if this one do like this and this go carry leg. I know say my people dey follow this our program well. We still get ogbonge talk wey we go carry come for una. Make una dey watch our channel, una no change the dial. Make I also talk this one. Drummer for palace, me I see them as historian.
Yes.
Because some drummer sef dem dey live long.
Na true.
So dem dey get idea the thing wey happen for the king wey just do wetin, wey just waja, because king no dey die, dem dey enter silly, dem dey say king waja. So those drummer, we go take drum dey tell the king wey wan enter the throne say láyé Olúgbọ́ in the times of the king that have just left na so e take do am dem fit no take mouth talk am with the drum dem go dey teach am say see aso e be o in this time o so aso e be o in the 40 kings ago before your king before you come be na so e be. So drum for palace e dey very e dey play plenty role. Tell us another role.
Another role of the drum for palace be say to entertain guests. If guests dey say king like the king wey dey palace, you know say no go just tell king make king like you make you just enter. You go need your drummer make you do wetin make you entertain
them. Now say hey, you see this thing wey you talk make me remember one of my king. Ọba Lateef Ọláyínká Àdó Ọ̀rànfẹ̀. Kábíyèsí o, adé apẹ́ lórí, bàtà apẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀, ẹ̀ṣọ́ bá jẹ púpẹ́, àárín yín pẹ́. E get one wey I dey Kábíyèsí palace. People come, plenty people come call at that time. Something happen for Abule Ado wey be say bomb blast or abi na explosion or something happen sha. So our mother Chief Iyaloja come greet am for palace. Me I just sit down. I just dey hear say Kábíyèsí call drummer go the drum. It's they say Kábíyèsí dey come down. The thing swell my head well. So we dey encourage our king, sir. You no fit command una because they no dey command king. And then they suggest for king say make we encourage our culture. Make we dey employ drummers. They pay them better money for palace because they themselves dem be custodian of culture.
Yes, of history.
Make our talk no too much, make we jollicate small with our drum. Ọba tó mo lè ní òkè ọ̀la. Na so we take say hold up bye for now. We go see una next week.